The veal roast with peas is a classic dish of Italian cuisine that combines the tenderness of the meat with the sweetness of the peas. Here is the recipe. Ingredients: 1 kilogram of veal, top round or rump for roasting, 500 grams of fresh or frozen peas, 1 onion, 2 carrots, 2 stalks of celery, 1 sprig of rosemary, 2 bay leaves, 100 milliliters of dry white wine, vegetable broth as needed, extra virgin olive oil, butter, salt, and pepper. Preparation: take the piece of veal and tie it with kitchen twine to maintain its shape during cooking. In a large skillet or casserole dish, heat a drizzle of olive oil and a piece of butter and brown the meat on all sides until it becomes golden. Meanwhile, clean and chop the onion, carrots, and celery and add them to the skillet with the meat. Let the vegetables sauté until they are wilted. Add the rosemary and bay leaves, then deglaze with the white wine and let the alcohol evaporate. Pour in the vegetable broth until half covering the roast, bring to a boil, then lower the heat, cover with a lid, and let it cook for about 1 hour and 30 minutes, turning the meat occasionally. In the meantime, cook the peas in a pan with a little oil, a knob of butter, salt, and pepper. Cover them and let them stew for about 10 minutes, or until they are tender. After the cooking time, check the meat. It should be tender and a fork should easily go into it. Remove excess liquid if necessary, and let the roast rest for a few minutes before cutting it. Slice the roast and serve it accompanied by the peas and the filtered cooking sauce. Notes: the veal roast lends itself to numerous accompaniments. Italians often serve it with roasted potatoes or mashed potatoes, but peas are a lighter and more spring-like option. If you wish, you can also add some flour to the sauce to thicken it and create a sort of Italian-style gravy. Enjoy your meal!